Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Spring Valley, local and long-distance movers near me. With moving options like we offer, your relocation becomes easier. Our options include packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Our moving team will help you go 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even 2,000 miles away to your new destination. We make relocating so much easier. You can focus on getting to your new location while we take care of the hard work for you. With the right Illinois moving company, you'll get the help you need. Our movers will get the most out of your local move, even though you're not going far. Instead of recruiting people to help you with your move, you'll have professionals handling your things. 3 Movers can get you to your new location faster and easier. We do the physical labor for you. Our team makes moving day less stressful. If you don't want to do the hard work, let us help you by taking it off your plate. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Spring Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.